Hi guys, this is Din from Gem from Bread channel, and today I'm super excited. I'm going to show you one of my favorite hacks, KFC hack. Probably wondering what's the hack? KFC stands for Kentucky Fried Chicken. We're going to make it Korean fried chicken. If you're like me, who doesn't like frying food at home, but still wants a quality Korean fried chicken, this recipe is for you. But first, let's go buy some chicken from KFC. Where are you heading? It's camera shy, everyone. I put my apron on. I put my hair up. I need 5 cloves. I don't write the instructions because I'm too lazy to write it. I only write ingredients, as you can tell. 3, 4, 5. But you can use more if you want. And you press. And I like removing that end too. Is it chopping or mincing? I don't know. I'm talking to myself. This is the star of the show. I mean, the KFC is the star of the show, but this is also the star of the show. Now I'm gonna cut my spring onion. Just like to remove the edge. Don't want that. This is just for toppings. This is not being added for the sauce. It's just for the star of the show, Mr. KFC. What? This is compost, because here in Switzerland we have to compost.
It's actually our breakfast for tomorrow.
No, it's not. Recycling.
Recycling en français means breakfast.
Oh my gosh, no. Start with adding the garlic. Soy sauce. Three tablespoons. Okay. I can't open it.
Yeah.
No, not yet. Tablespoon of sugar. I'll put it here. Just mix it all until sugar is dissolved. Do ginger powder. About 5 dashes, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Oh, it's bubbling. Look at that. Just lower it down a little bit so it doesn't overcooked. Butter, just half a tablespoon of butter goes in there. Finally, we're going to do the marine for Japanese cooking, but it has a sweet note. Then you do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So we'll just wait till everything is dissolved. This is what we want. This is it. Yeah, that. Okay. But not too much, okay? I think this is done. So what? That's under like 5 minutes, right? We'll taste it first before I completely... Just watch out. I don't know. I use my finger. Is that okay? I use my finger. I think I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy with it. So we ordered this in Lausanne. In Switzerland, we have 18 pieces of hot wings on the menu. So that's what we have here. Looks crunchy. Yum, yum. Okay, so we're going to use 8. 2, 3. Well, this one is 10. 8 to 10 pieces. All right. So there's that. Just pour the sauce. It's already turning like Korean chicken.
Wow!
See, I used all of them. Then you gently toss this. Just making sure that everything is coated. There. These are garlic and honey chicken. Just put that there.
These pieces are jealous.
Like this. With the sauce. All right. And don't throw that away because you can put the remaining one. And make this pretty. And then the final touch. Onion. Alright. Like this. Ta-da! Wish I had that thing.
Somebody woke up for the KFC chicken.
Alright, let's do this. What do you think?
Looks delicious.
Shall we? Look at this. It's so delicious, guys. Look at that. Whoop! Okay. Go ahead.
Do you want to get one too?
Yeah, pepper or whatever, chili. It'll be super hot if you eat it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cheers! Cheers! C'est mukbang.
C'est bon. Good. Like and subscribe. See you
Like
guys
and
in the next one.
subscribe. Yum!